कैसे हो? कुछ जोश वोश दिखाओ, हेलो बोलो, तालियां बजाओ, कुछ दिखाओ यार। इतनी गॉर्जियस जनता बैठी है। सो आज का जो हमारा पैनल है, जिस बारे में है, सो आई डू अ लिटिल शायरी, लेट्स सी इफ पीपल कैन गेस, ओके? मोबाइल से ज्यादा इनका नेटवर्क है स्ट्रॉन्ग, बस फोटो है खींचना, चाहे राइट हो या रॉन्ग। कभी इन्हें मिलते हैं ए जेंडिया जी जी, कभी जया जी के टॉन्ट। सोचो इनके बिना बॉलीवुड कैसे करेगा फ्लॉन्ट। एयरपोर्ट, पार्लर, मंदिर के बाहर धूप में खड़े उम्र गवा दी। ये पैपराजी हर सिचुएशन के काजी, कभी इनसे है खुशी, कभी नाराजी। वाह 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 वाह। आज का जो panel है, of course it's about paparazzi effect, and we've got an amazing panel. We have Charlene, we have Zareen, we have Kubra, and we have Isha. How are you guys here? कैसा लग रहा है पैनल में आके?
मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ 4 ब्यूटीफुल लड़कियों के साथ में बैठने आया हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड।
Absolutely. So सबसे पहले मैं शुरुआत करूंगी कि जब वो लोग मीडिया सामने खड़े हुए फोटो मांग रहे होते हैं और आप पोस्ट कर रहे होते हो, व्हाट इज गोइंग इन योर हेड? ईशा ईशा, फोटो 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 फोटो, लेफ्ट लेफ्ट राइट 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 राइट, व्हाट इज गोइंग इन योर हेड?
I'll be really honest, over the years, अगर आप देखेंगे जब से पब्लिसिटी शुरू हुई है, नॉट जस्ट एज एक्टर, न्यूज शुरू हुई है, it started from radio, came to newspaper, came to TV news, now it's internet, our
Yes.
Instagram. I truly feel that paparazzi is आज के time का, to me, visibility vehicle is what I like to call them.
Visibility vehicle.
Yeah, because if they don't exist, we are nothing. So let's be honest, the people who say, oh, invasion of privacy, this and that, India में at least मैं बात कर रही हूँ, because India में एक तो invasion of privacy करते भी नहीं है। आप अगर foreign जाएंगे, you will see that how paparazzi actually does.
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली वो ऊपर हेलीकॉप्टर, ड्रोन, पता नहीं क्या क्या।
And our paparazzi is really nice. Like at least to me, they've been so nice. They tell you, oh, ये करो, ऐसे करो, and I know sometimes they do guess who by showing your ass. Sometimes I only get confused whether it's my ass. एक बार I think I saw someone else's, and I was like, ये तो मेरी तरह लग रही है। Like नहीं। तो except in that, I think they are amazing.
You
But
saying
guess what?
you get confused with your own ass?
Imagine.
Yeah.
We all
Just-
work out.
I'm just telling you that we all are
हम
purely
लड़कों का
not.
क्या
I was
होगा?
looking, ये मैं नहीं है,
ये
ये मैंने
मैं-
नेट पहना था, ये correct.
Another thing is हम सबको पता है we are so hot.
हम सबको पता है, हम बड़े hot हैं, क्या बात कर रहे हो?
I would agree.
Kubra, what's going in your head when they're asking for pictures?
I'm just praying that I'm not smiling because I'm just like
Why?
hey. Yeah, I'm just hey, and my stylist has given me strict instructions that you're wearing like really dark lips, and you cannot pop your teeth out of that. But they're just like cuckoo, hee woohoo, and I'm just like hey woo with them. So I am just praying that I haven't missed that one opportunity that my PR will take and then circulate those pictures. But honestly, I think there are such talented paps out there. They're so full of life. They're so kind. They really are. At least our Indian paps are just very kind, all right? And I wish you get to know all of them because they do make the effort to get to know you a little bit. And I understand what they're doing is just their job. What's really going on in my head at that time is, am I messing this photo up? That's it.
Zareen?
Hello.
हेलो, वेलकम टू द पैनल।
Thank you.
आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है? बिकॉज आपके पीछे भी पैप्स काफी घूमते रहते हैं, चाहे आप रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हो, पार्लर जा रहे हो, कीप ऑन स्पॉटिंग यू।
वेल मैं किसी भी चीज़ में ना इतना थिंक करती नहीं हूँ। आई डोंट नो वेदर दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग और अ बैड थिंग, बट या आई मीन जहाँ पे भी मैं जाती हूँ आई लाइक बीइंग माई सेल्फ, and I think that is the reason where the reason जहाँ पे the paps have also been very good to me because I think कभी कभार मेरे मुंह से जो निकल जाता है वो जितना वो सरप्राइज होता है मैं भी उतनी ही सरप्राइज हो जाती हूँ बाद में सुन के ओ माय गॉड ये बोल दिया मैंने. So yeah, I think that is the relationship that Paps and me have, and they've been nice to me, and yes, there's no thinking at all that goes in anywhere in my life.
Shalin, what about you?
Yeah, I have a little different, probably because I'm a guy. So it's become very Shalin bhai. So it's very brotherhood kinds. अब ना क्या हो गया कि बहुत brotherhood हो गया हमारा.
अच्छा.
हाँ, जब से मैं Big Boss से बाहर निकला हूँ, especially क्योंकि the first people I saw was them, and later I saw my family. You know, So it was like, अरे शालिन भाई, अरे मैंने तू मैंने देखा है तेरे को भी देखा था 4 महीने पहले, 5 महीने पहले. So I literally hugged them. So for me now it has become very coexisting. You know, sometimes I actually tell them not to shoot and they don't shoot.
That I've seen with a lot of,
I love that about them because
yeah, that I've seen with Rani also. She'll tell not to take pictures of my kids with Virat also, and they'll respect. They'll retract immediately. So
yeah,
that
sometimes
is a
like
good thing.
I'm with some beautiful girls like these, and I don't want them to take a picture, so they don't take a picture.
Bakawas hai. There'll be beautiful girls with him. He'll make sure that he's going.
He's the guy who's calling the peps, okay, to take photos with lovely, pretty girls.
No, but they are very nice. Yeah, they're
But
sweet.
do you guys remember your first PAP experience? Because that's now it must be normal for you to go out and people are surrounding
remember
you.
mine.
But initially when it's new, you're like, oh my God, do I look left? Do I look right? Do they know me? So what was your first PAP experience?
Mine was the most awkward because also you don't realize suddenly, for me it was everything very sudden. From studying and doing a job and then immediately moving, becoming an actor. And I used to stay in Andheri at that time in a really nice gated society. And I walked out because you have to just walk 5 minutes and you reach the cinema in
And that
in
time
Andheri.
there was not a culture of calling them. So you were actually surprised.
More than concern of calling them, I did not know, that what a paparazzi is because, I mean, how others happen. And also I'm talking 10 years back. I don't think 10 years
मीडिया
back.
बुलाते थे,
Huh?
तब paparazzi भी नहीं बुलाते थे, मीडिया.
And not even, I don't even know media बुलाते थे, क्या बुलाते थे. But it was just surprising, like how they were like, Isha, and I'm just walking and buying sabzi. And I think there's someone...
You must be thinking, do I owe these people some money? Why
Not
are they like,
really.
Isha,
I
Isha,
was just
Isha?
surprised. I was like, also my name sounds a lot like rickshaw. So when I'm buying the vegetables, I did not know whether they're saying Isha or rickshaw. And I'm just like, wait. If they're calling me and they're like, picture, ekra. And I'm like, okay. And I'm giving the picture and I'm like...
So you were surprised and shocked.
Yeah, but now, like I said, that, now... But that's also, I'm talking like 2013, 2012, I think, when the first film came. Now it's different. Now we call them. I mean, I especially don't like when I see a lot of people can take offense if they want to. I don't really care by saying this, but I see a lot of celebrities and, they especially call at the restaurant that they're going.
Yeah.
And then they act like, oh my God. Are you kidding me? I've called them. Guess what I do? They call me, ma'am, ruko, and I'm just like, yeah, let's just give them pose. It's like because I've called you and you've specially come
I saw
for me.
one of her video where I don't know if it was planned or something. There were media before she went to the parlor. So I think she was expecting them after she came out with a nice hair, which is like, "Tu pehle aa gaye bhaiya." बाद में आना है.
Exactly, because I don't live now over here. And like I said that, I'm very, नहीं, makeup के बिना मैं रहती हूँ. I think I'm really beautiful. And, but hair is something I'm really careful about. So for me, it was just, but like I said, they've always been amazing. They've always been nice. I think just once or twice it has been that they've always respected my privacy. I think there was just once I was really upset the video I had requested not to put and they posted. And, as women, a lot of women over here will understand, and even men, because you all have mothers and sisters, some body part of yours, like, when it's cold, and even though you're wearing everything possible, underwear, and then things are visible, and then they made sure that they're blasting that, and then you read the comments of people, oh, she's trying to show. No, I don't live in India anymore, and I'm really confident with my body. But like I said, it's not the paparazzi ki galti nahi hai, because guess what? A lot of people do it on purpose, so you get the attention. So उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. You're getting the eyeballs. It's just लोग उसे बहुत बुरी तरह से then they write that look at what she's doing. Arey, I'm not trying to show my tits on purpose. I'll show it when I want to. Not the way I don't want to.
Wow. Kubra, your first PAP experience?
So I believe, I remember when the Sacred Games was having its release and like premiere, I wanted to go wearing like some dancer pants, like some really shiny pants and like a really small crop top. I had no idea how big like this whole launch event was, right? So thankfully I had a friend who saved me like the last minute, got me like a pink dress to wear. And I remember when I went walking, like through those different points on the red carpet, and people were still calling me Kubra. Okay. Kubra ji. And I remember Sacred released, and I really feel my first paparazzi moment was when Kubra ji had turned to Cuckoo and Cuckoo ji. So I felt like that for me was like such a notable moment in like the immediate outside circle. And like the fact that people were interested in you. And I remember the first time they said Kukuji, the way I burst out laughing, man. I still have that picture because it was some beauty awards show and I was wearing a yellow dress and I looked like a cake. And they made me laugh. They were like, Kukuji, Kukuji. And then I was like, yeah, wo main hai.
Made it in life. Zareen, your first PAP experience?
Well, I'll be very honest, I don't really remember because I think the whole explosion of paparazzi has happened over the last few years. I think around COVID or just a little before COVID. And उससे पहले तो हमारे जो थे, हम जो रेड कार्पेट्स कोई भी इवेंट्स पे अवार्ड्स पे जा रहे हैं तो हमारे जो मीडिया वाले होते थे वो करते थे. So maybe I would, I remember that because when I started out I was like a lost child. Like वो जब first मेरे साथ experience हुआ था, I was like a reindeer, like a deer who saw headlights. मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था देखना कहाँ पे है, पोज कैसे करना है. पोज तो चलो मुझे अभी तक नहीं आता, but
I still remember अभी आप जब आ भी रहे थे, your manager was like,
They just
pose
do the
करना है, pose करना है. She's like, yeah, okay, pose करना है.
करते हैं, थोड़ा सीखते हैं अभी भी, मतलब whatever. बट हाँ, वो टाइम पे तो ऐसा था कि मतलब अभी फोटो क्लिक कर रहे, सांस भी लूँ कि नहीं लूँ, कैसे दिखना है, वो मतलब बहुत ही स्ट्रेसफुल एक्सपीरियंस था. बट आई थिंक देन वंस यू आर हियर यू जस्ट ग्रो एंड देन यू जस्ट डोंट गिव a damn. I would use a better word rather than the one that I wanted to use. So yeah.
But have you ever hated any of your photos that they've like posted? Have you hated any photo?
Hated?
Like, do you not like the photo that has been
यार
published?
ऐसे बहुत सारे मेरे तो मतलब I don't know, some of the pictures I post, of course, because they're the ones I'm posting, they come out so nice and then I see these paparazzi pictures, I'm like क्या यार. तो मैं तो yeah, but lately it's been good. अभी क्योंकि मैंने जो बोला कि पूरा जो एक्सप्लोजन हुआ है, आई थिंक अभी उनके आपस में भी कंपटीशन हो गया कि कौन अच्छा पिक्चर क्लिक करेगा. सो नाउ दे आर ऑल क्लिकिंग गुड पिक्चर्स.
Do you think all these paps guys are very good husbands because they click good pictures of their wives also?
No, I doubt it. It's like a chef
Where are
doesn't
they
cook
getting
in
the
his house.
time
I don't
to
think they
click
take pictures of their wives.
Yeah, where are they getting the time
Absolutely.
to click pictures of their wives? They're already
They are
बेचारा out and
concentrating on
about.
other butts. I think they would be having a very tough time in their married life.
Yeah, maybe
है
they
ना?
must be
तो
getting
ये तुमने
beaten
खींचा है
up
ना?
at home.
तुमने? हाँ? और नीचे कर लो.
और zoom करो, और zoom
और
करो.
zoom करो, और zoom करो. तुम मिलो आओ. मैंने देखा भी. They would be like that.
Your first pap experience?
Yeah, my first PAP experience was very embarrassing, to be very honest, because I was on a bike and I was wearing a helmet, and I think I was having the same bike as some different actor, and he said, "Bhai, एक रुक जो यारी रोड में," and they're like, "Kunal bhai," and I was like, मैं उठाऊं कि नहीं उठाऊं? मैं अपना ये हेलमेट हटाऊं कि नहीं हटाऊं? I think it would be Kunal Khemu or they must be confusing me with somebody.
It's your back.
yeah.
Now you understand.
Na-
It's
nah.
your back.
It's that back.
Now you understand. It's your back. Yeah. Nobody. Yeah. Nobody can recognize you also from
my
your back.
first experience मैं खोला ही नहीं, मैंने मिला ऐसे निकल
the
जाते
back side है.
हैं. उनको बोलने दो कुणाल भाई.
Imagine Kunal sitting at home. मैं कब ये रेस्टोरेंट गया? मैं कब बाइक चला रहा
हाँ,
था
मतलब
यार?
मैं-
Who's my body double?
मैं यारी रोड में जा रहा हूँ और भाई एक मिनट, मैंने ब्रेक मारा, मैंने अब हटाऊंगा with that whole style, and then I like कुणाल भाई,
आप जाइए, आप जाइए, आप
कुणाल भाई, हाँ, I'm like नहीं यार, हेलमेट नहीं उतारना चाहिए, ऐसे ही जाते हैं. I walked, I just went out. So that was my first experience.
But I've seen like all you guys interact also very nicely with paps and they also talk to you. It's become like a small family group outside the family where they meet. हाँ जी भैया कैसे हो? ठीक है, घर में सब ठीक. During COVID also you was so nicely asking कि तुम्हारा सब ठीक है, घर में सब ठीक है. So it's a रिश्ता that you've formed. And as you said कि visibility medium है, so उनके लिए भी एक बार तालियां हो जाए paparazzi के लिए because day night धूप गर्मी बारिश they're always there. हम तो बस एक scroll कर देते हैं.
करो
But it's
zoom
their
करो, खूब
मेहनत.
zoom करो.
That I agree. Please, I think we should clap once more because they work really hard and they are the real photographers and publicists for us.
But do you think
They
all
are
this...
also very expensive.
Oh yes.
They are also very
And they
expensive.
also work really, really,
Yeah.
really hard.
Like if you need to like plan your PR budget for the month, you cannot unsee the fact that you need to be socially visible with certain numbers, certain visibility. Everyone has different audience. So if you are trying to make yourself a scalable brand, then you do understand that this is a form of paid media that you need to engage with. So I remember, yeah, I've been hosting events for a very, very long time where we always had, and I'm talking about easy 10 years, 10, 12 years now, where we've had like dedicated panels to understand if social media is going to overtake traditional media. 10, 12 years ago, right? I think we're only seeing a consensus of all that we learned, and today we're understanding how to bifurcate our funds and saying, okay, I need to be also on a popular dailies front page, but for my everyday accountability and who, where were you seen, what are you doing next, and to constantly keep you relevant and to constantly build your brand, this is an important thing that I think I have understood, that this is important. So how much money do you need to spend and invest in making sure that your brand is scaled and constantly in the visibility of people?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
So I don't think it's frivolous at all,
Yeah.
as far as you're building your brand towards it and you're consciously aware of it. So even the whole, oh, let's do a airport spotting or let's do a restaurant spotting. Today, restaurants and other like establishments have their own PR,
Yeah,
which
absolutely.
who they call and say, अरे ईशा गुप्ता आई हैं भाई हमारे रेस्टोरेंट में खाने के लिए, तो पैप्स आ जाते हैं. Kubra has gone to that salon, so can you send the paps? Shalin's gone to that gym, get the paps over there. Za's gone there, so let's get, you know, and it's like an association game that we are playing, sorry, with our own brands, you know. Someone's into food, someone's into health. So we're making those, you know, arrangements, and we're making those combinations and connections click.
Kind of a strategy that you
Yeah,
have to
and
do.
it's reinforcement of the
Yeah.
same thing.
We're seeing the same
Yeah.
celeb or whatever
Yeah.
at 6 different places. The names get starts registering, and it's there and it's visible.
Yeah.
But do you think it puts pressure on you anytime because you're going to the airport, or sometimes you don't want to be visible, like you get spotted not by choice? Do you think it puts pressure on people when they're going to airport to dress a certain way, to hire a stylist, or to do all those things?
I think it honestly also depends on person to person. When I'm saying what I'm going to say right now, it's taken me years and a lot of world travel and meeting a lot of people who are not so serious about themselves and who are not from the industry, because they are the real people that I end up meeting, that it doesn't really matter how I dress up and when I'm caught. There are times that I proper dress up, but I remember still, there was at 4 a.m. I was traveling to that Dubai, that weird time of that 4 a.m. flight to Dubai, and Kiara and Varun, so their whole team had called the Paps at 2 a.m. Which I didn't know that they were traveling the same flight that I'm traveling. And me being me, my tracks, my crop t-shirt, no makeup, I'm seeing, and suddenly there's Paps, and I look at them and I'm like, oh, and I want to wear the mask. Because COVID was still there, and also I still wear a mask and I roam around and I'm trying to wear the mask, and suddenly Varun comes and does this, and I'm looking and I'm like, oh bro, I'm like, ab to le lo picture. Varun and Kiara look fresh as a daisy, and I look like, you can tell, 2 a.m. flight that she's woken up, and I'm just like, wow. But like I said, you have to start, like, you have to be okay with being seen how you look like. That's how you'll be confident, because kya hota hai na, we take ourselves so seriously. I have to look perfect and proper every time. But I really don't, because this is not how I look when I'm sitting at home. You know, I look like a certain way, so it's cool. You have to accept who you are.
Does it put pressure on you कि airport जाने से पहले कभी सोचना
Have you
है?
seen my airport looks?
I haven't.
It's like
I haven't, babe. I haven't.
I'm
babe.
like just
Yeah,
going.
have you
like,
seen? I haven't.
I
babe.
am very much in touch with reality that I'm catching a flight. I'm going to be uncomfortable. I don't need to be in hair and makeup, and I'm not here walking the ramp. But I see a lot of people like the
No, the heels.
airport.
The heels
Oh my God.
I think
no,
that's
heels
my
तो चलो
problem.
अंदर
6
जाके
inches heels at the
heels
airport.
तो अंदर जाके तुम फिर भी change कर सकते हो. But the other things,
But
oh
the
my
short
God.
dresses and the deep necks,
Oh
I
my
don't
God.
understand.
Like, I sometimes I see this and I'm like, oh my God, is this an airport or is this like some fashion week happening? And people put so much
But
efforts into
because
that.
of this, normal people who are traveling there also, like my friends and all, this is the airport look, this is the airport. I said, who's papping you there?
Arey, my
Why are you stressed?
my team started putting a little pressure. You see other people how well they are getting dressed and going. I said so let them, because I am not them and I would like to show my audiences what I am. And I take my flight and I like to travel just as any other person, comfortably. Comfort is of utmost important to me. I am not going to turn the airport into a fashion show. For that we have our fashion weeks, you know. We have our other
Nowadays
places.
it's so expensive track suits just for the airport, which you have to wear at the
I think
airport.
comfort
Dude,
is
I
okay.
come from the time when juicy was a thing, okay?
Written on the bum.
Please, you turned
Juicy.
around and your butt said juicy.
Yeah, I still remember Saif Ali Khan was spotted wearing juice.
No, of course. I can totally see him.
You know,
I can totally see
I
him
would like
wear
to add
a
something
juicy-
in this.
Yeah, what about your,
You know,
like, do you have
I-
any pressure? I think guys have
No,
it easy.
it's-
They just have to put a t-shirt
No,
and a
it's-
shirt.
See, it's not about that. I'll tell you what. I always tell everyone, see, we have to understand what paparazzi is, what fashion is, right? I always tell everyone, don't look rich. Be rich.
Look rich.
But that's the
You know-
problem. But that's also
No, no.
that's to do with different
No,
in India.
so
The
I'm
mentality.
saying
Dikhega nahi to big-
in life, you know, there are ways you can look rich and there are ways when you become rich. Similarly, when there is a paparazzi, don't be paparazzi worthy. Don't look paparazzi worthy. Be paparazzi worthy. You know, a Shah Rukh sir would wear the same black suit for past 20 years and not care what the style is all about, and he is paparazzi worthy. So when you are worthy of paparazzi, they will click you any which ways, whether you are in a ganji, whether you are in a suit, whether you're in a tuxedo, anywhere. If not, you are trying to be something which you are not. Whether in terms of placement you are not, or whether in style you are not. So what is important is become successful, don't look successful. When you
Well
are
said.
successful,
Well said.
everybody
That
will
is
cover
actually,
you.
like, there's so many celebs, like, who do not want to be photographed and actually उनका कैसे भी करके उनका drone से निकालेंगे कुछ भी करेंगे.
I know, I don't want to name, I know a lot of people, you know, who would dress up in a certain manner to look, you know, worthy of something.
Do you think
And
they
then-
wear a lot of brands also
And
at the
then-
airport?
Ma'am,
when they're
ma'am,
getting
ma'am,
But that's
grabbed?
also because I feel, sorry, I cut you.
please.
I was answering, but I think that's also because, again, no offense, but we don't understand the concept of quiet luxury in India. We do not understand the concept of, no, and it's true, it's adding to what he said and what you asked. It's also to the point कि अगर मेरी घड़ी दूर से आप लोगों को नहीं दिखेगी तो you will think I'm a nobody. It's the fact that what he said, the problem is we are so much more concerned. Also, I think because we got money as a country and freedom much later, most of us, that we feel कि जब तक दिखाएंगे नहीं लोगों को समझ में आएगा हमारे पास पैसा है. And then you go abroad, you see the richest person, the most normally dressed. Right, that's because they know who they are. Even in that manner, to say the world leaders, even our world leaders, they have the same, that kurta, that pajama, that Nehru jacket, always he wears. Does he care? मैंने Gucci पहना, मैंने ये बोला है, please brands, I'm sorry that I said this, but I'm like, वो problem वो life. But you know what I mean to say? We don't have to, but the problem is, like he said, it's true, paparazzi means like internationally, you're caught off guard. यहाँ पे it's like you said, even if they come even after outside my salon, I'll still look like I'm going to a salon, not like, oh, Abhi, I'm just coming for Bollywood Hangama panel. No. We actually look like.
See,
you
again,
know,
being stylish is very important for anybody. I always tell everybody, look nice, look presentable, smell nice. You know, that's very, very important. Because we can take a bath with Lux soap,
And it's
which is 10
Mumbai,
rupees.
full of humidity.
Please take bath, everyone,
Man is really dropping out.
and look nice, look stylish. I am wearing I think this shirt I am wearing, which is, किस को ये अच्छी लग रही है? हाथ उठाओ. पक्का? यार, I love you.
सबको अच्छी लग रही है,
है
सबको
ना?
अच्छी लग रही है.
तो ये अच्छी है. ये 1200 रुपए की है, शायद 1500 रुपए की है.
Wow.
So money doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Stop spending unnecessary money. Stop spending all these money. I understand it is in this world. We are there with all these fake brands also. you get in different markets. I'm
Louis
not
Vuitton.
naming them. Don't buy it, guys. Please go to Zara. Do what? I'm not branding. Whatever. I charge. I charge money.
I am
Please go
not
to brands. You will
speaking. Neither
very
is Zareen.
very cheap brands. मैं अभी 5 दिन पहले एक प्रीमियर पे गया था. And there would be photos of me wearing a shirt. You know.
Girls, listen to.
I was wearing a shirt in LSD 2 and you know there were 2 movies which मैं premiere पे गया था वो 700 रुपए की shirt है guys.
Wow.
So you can still look nice with not so expensive clothes and not having different brands जैसे हमने नाम लिए है ना वो बड़े-बड़े 2 लाख रुपए के जूते.
God, okay.
Don't do that. Become successful. Everybody will click you. All the paparazzi will run behind you. Become successful.
Absolutely.
That is important.
We have seen like the richest and the richest, as you said, wearing the simplest of kurta pajama.
Black t-shirt.
Mark Zuckerberg wearing the grey shirt.
Yeah.
For lifelong. But do you think, paparazzi, but do you think it gives like undue power to them also to like make, you know, influence audience in the way they like or they perceive?
Like
do
the
you think,
paparazzi?
yeah, do you think their personal choices also reflect or no? Or it's actually
I think
totally
it
honest?
helps if they like you and you are nice to them. I think it definitely helps. That's the first point. Second point is like Kubra said, it's a part of our, you know,
Because
when
they also know that they are integral part of your
no,
strategy
and it's also part
everyone's
of
strategy.
yeah, but it's also part of budget. You know how India has budget 2024. We have the budget same way every month. That okay, इतना budget हमारा PR में अब वो PR चाहे वो newspaper में जाए, अब paparazzi में जाए. So I think that happens, but also it's because we make sure that we are respecting them like we are respecting everyone. I think the only time they do not, which I've heard a few times that they don't photograph a certain people or certain places is because they've had bad experience. But like we've been saying that they are literally only doing their job and they're doing a job well done. I have been in a situation once I was outside a restaurant. They started too much people coming in and you know I was just and I know self-defense, so I get very irritated when people, because I think we don't have the concept, and it wasn't in a cheap way, people were trying to come close, but they don't understand the concept, I think, of personal space. That's the problem. But no one was trying to touch, and I just did this, and guess what? The paparazzi saw it, and paparazzi pushed everyone away so I can be in the car.
Nice.
Tell me, who does it anywhere else in the world? Elsewhere in the world, you see America and all, the paparazzi are the ones making sure you're dying. In the UK, what happened, right, with Princess Diana and all? We don't have that paparazzi. They don't follow us or do bad things to us.
What about you? Do you think they have lot of power to like influence?
You know, once you fail to recognize that the power is actually in your hands is when half the battle is lost. I feel like I am using the media to let my audience know who I am as a person, and I use the vehicle to get from point A to point B. And I enjoy the journey from point A to point B. The minute I start saying, नहीं यार अब मैं तो गाड़ी में बड़ा paparazzi ले जाएगा कहाँ पे जाना है, या media ले जाएगा. It really depends on what projects I choose, how I choose to carry myself, what is my own idea of who I am in my own mind. And then when I use that as the crux of what the media is going to use, then I know I'm working in tandem with them. I'm not flying in a different direction and they are not flying in a different direction. But to answer your question, which is like a conjunction of that, do they use their own preferences to like, you know, take you a step further? 100%. Like,
Really?
there are times when I have worn outfits and I felt like, bomb, babe, you know, and I walked in on the red carpet and they've said, wow, Kubra ji, wow, Kuku ji, and they get very happy. And you feel like, oh my God, I did a great job today. They are impressed. Oh, now I'm doubly impressed, you know.
Validation.
Yeah, it's lovely. Like, they are the first people who get to see you when you walk into an event.
And they see all the events on all the celebs. They have the
Everyone.
actually yardstick.
Yeah,
to
and they're
measure.
like, wow, आज बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हो. आज, I'm like, हाँ,
कुबरा जी,
आज
आज-
मेहनत की है.
आज वाला ड्रेस पिछले वाले से बेटर हो गया.
Yeah, they have an opinion, yeah.
अब
They tell you.
आज आई शेडो मस्त है. आज आई शैडो मस्त लगाई है खुबरा जी, वेरी
कुछ भी
गुड.
कर रहे हैं मगर they have an opinion. And like for example, I was wearing like a arm that was full of stackable gold recently at an event, and when I wore that, I actually had Paps circle and take that part of my fashion out and say, oh my God, this was great. So there are parts of you, you know, that they want to speak about because it was interesting for them as well.
Yeah.
So as a media brand, if you're trying to do that as an actor, as a public celebrity, as a public face figure, if that's what you're doing, then you work along with them, but never forget who you are.
Zareen, I want to ask you a different question. A lot of people feel a little shy or conscious about doing it, like, you know, calling paparazzi or whatever. They feel it's not my game or whatever. Do you think it hampers their growth because everybody else is doing it? And some people don't give that much amount of importance to it and feel a little conscious why it look fake. Do you think?
See, honestly, we are in a day and age right now where this has just become so important, whether you like it or you don't like it, you know. The whole idea of relevance has just somehow changed to your spottings that happen every day. No matter the amount of serious work or things that you're doing, like I see so many actors who are so busy work-wise, I don't see them every day on paparazzi pages. Somehow, people who maybe are not really that active, they are seen a lot of times on these pages. And I think, I'm not going to say it's a bad thing. You know, it is just, as I said, unfortunately, the whole idea of relevance has become ke, dikh rahe hain kya? It's like out of sight, out of mind. So just to keep yourself in people's minds, you have to be seen every day on these pages. And जैसे अभी जो बातें हो रही थी, you know, कि famous हो जाओ and rich हो जाएंगे, paparazzi is expensive and all of that. It's true, because nowadays the rich ones who were not famous previously, we all know them now, thanks to paparazzi. Though I really don't know what they do. I don't know what their talent is. I don't know anything. But we see them every day on pap pages. Why? Because they're rich. They're paying.
I would like
And that's why they're famous.
And no, but I like to add to that. I don't think it's only rich. I think it all comes back to the crux is what I was saying before, and I truly believe in it, that they are visibility vehicle. You know what I mean? We need the paparazzi, and not just people sitting here, but generally everyone. Because I have seen business women and men who pay to get articles who no one knows, at least the ones we're talking on, वो लोग fashion
Exactly.
वगैरह
That's
में
what I'm
कुछ हैं.
saying. Because it's the need of the hour.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
That is unfortunately the relevance now. कि जब तक तुम्हारा social media पे कुछ आया नहीं तो मतलब you're not working, you're not doing anything.
And nowadays I see everyone has a PR, even if you're not from Bollywood or TV actor.
It's become
like
very
normal
important.
Business people have PR. Sharon, quickly we'll ask you the same thing. Do you think these guys favor more to the people they like? And then we'll wrap up the panel. What is your take? I think all of you are very likable by Paps, so.
I have no take on that, to be very honest. See, I'll tell you what, I like certain content, you like certain different content, right? She likes something else. And similarly, Paps like something else. The audience which is there on social media, they like something else. First, there is an audience for everyone. Second, what are you selling? If
Coming in the middle, throwing one-liner.
So it depends on what you're selling is why you want to be relevant or not. You know, if you are a singer, no singer will come to would want to be, you know, papped because uski voice nahi sunai de rahi. Similarly, an actor needs to showcase his acting. That's his core job. Yeah. An influencer needs to be on Instagram more. Now, parallel industries have started, so I am an actor. I'm also probably selling something on social media. Yeah. So probably I need a certain kind of presence on Instagram because that's also very big money. Having said that, you have to understand what your core business is. If acting is your core business, concentrate on acting, become a 100 crore club actor, and they will click you, whatever, and they will like you. They will love you.
Definitely. You're saying that this paparazzi could be an add-on to your existing business, and that could
telling
help you
your
eventually.
content, telling
only
them.
paparazzi cannot make you a star or whatever.
No, but there are some people who become famous only because of
because they are
paparazzi.
influencers. they want to be an influencer.
I can't
But what
speak for
Shalini
them.
is
I'm
saying,
not
I
them.
think he's absolutely right. Become someone that they click you anyway.
Yeah, I am
you know.
not called for parties, but I am called for shadis. And I charge for shadis dancing. हाँ तो yeah, please किसी की शादी
शादी
हो
पार्टियों के ऑर्डर लेते हैं.
मुझे फोन करें.
He'll dance, I'll sing, you'll also
I
perform,
dance.
you'll also dance.
Listen,
Very good,
में
very good
बच्चा
dancer, very
होता
good
है,
There
तब
you
ये
go, you have a
चाहिए
4-act deal
Topic
for your
has fully
wedding. You will
changed
make it
by
the most
Paparazzi
memorable
से.
wedding.
At the same time
Jigna
किसी का
weds Jinesh.
किसी
We are
का
done.
नहीं at the same time किसी का प्रोडक्ट हो आप हम चारों को ले 50% डिस्काउंट.
इसके वजह से बता-
Take 100% off from him, pay me 100%. I don't care.
With that, we
हाँ
come to the
मैनेजमेंट बैठी है
end.
यार कुछ भी कर रहा है आदमी.
हाँ यार, उनका क्यों डिस्काउंट बोल दिया आपने यार?
मुझे 3 लड़कियों के साथ में मिल रहा है मैं खुश हूँ.
तुमको
मेरे
क्या
को-
मिल रहा है 3 लड़कियों के साथ?
हाँ मतलब all
हम
4.
साथ साथ है पार्ट 2 की शूट.
And with that, it's a wrap. Thank you so much,
Such a
guys, for coming.
serious-
And एक बार तालियां हो जाए सबके लिए.
Thank you so much
I
guys.
hope paparazzi keeps on clicking you and
Thank
keeps
you.
on making you famous.
इतनी तारीफ की अब तो करेंगे ही ज्यादा. आइए.
नहीं, please say, please
Oh,
say.
sorry,
please
sorry.
say. We
I
still
just
have a
want to
couple of
say
questions, yes.
thank you for having this conversation because most people haven't understood. You know, they all have ideas about the paparazzi, but you don't understand how do we work in tandem with them. How do we, you know, equate a relationship which is respectful on both ends? And I think it's really important for anybody who's listening, watching, to understand that it's only a part of the business model. It is not the business. It is not the model. And I feel like this is a relevant conversation, although, you know, we've had our laughs and, you know, we've spoken about brands and this and that. Please understand, it is only as important as you want it to be. Yeah. And it is not that, oh, without this, you are over or finished. It's really important how much value do you value it in your career, in your life. And you are not what you do. So please just remember that what you do is a very small part of you. And that's how paparazzi is as well. And yeah, I know you clapped and everything, but you can clap last time because now I'm done. Yeah, why not?
We're still not done because we still want them to
ये अच्छा था
sort
हमारा नेता कैसा हो कुबरा जैसा हो.
of Kubra जैसा हो. Hey, what's up? Can we please clap for this lovely
अच्छा बोलती है ना
panel
कुबरा.
and this moderator called RJ Palak. She's fantastic. Okay, listen, I have a few questions, TK, and obviously Palak has asked you so many about the paparazzi, and as much as we'd like to say, oh नहीं हम नहीं देखते, नहीं हाँ, and we've seen it,
वो हम देखते हैं,
all of
हम
us watch
सब
it.
देखते हैं.
Papa watches it, Mama watches it, you watch it, I watch it, we all watch it. Yes.
Bro, can I tell you, I'm actually guilty of going, like, I follow Paps, right? And I'm guilty of liking Pap, like, posts.
Why?
Because they actually took something cool of someone. Or, like, someone looked really pretty. And or someone looked really handsome. Or there was something about that post. And I'm constantly liking, you know, Manav Manglani and Viral Bhayani and the Womplas and the Insta Bollywood and the Bollywood Hangama.
She
and I'm
knows it
doing
all.
all of this because I follow all of them and I actually like their stuff because you're good.
चलो
Yeah,
किसी के खर्चे
yeah,
हुए
same.
पैसे सफल हुए.
ले भाई.
But coming to
मुझे किसी से पैसा
सब
मिले
जगह
नहीं है,
से
मैं
एक
खर्चा
free
करने वाला आदमी हूँ,
जिसने
ठीक है?
नो जिसने फोटो डाली है पैसे खर्च करके उसको
अजी,
तो
इतनी
सफल हुआ
बातों
ना.
नहीं
अच्छा हुआ
लड़कियां
ना?
हैं, मतलब they
मैंने
just
like करना
lose
है.
focus. We were talking about हम साथ साथ हैं also, and we were talking about Paps also, we were talking about life also. Quickly coming back to fashion and style. First question to you, Isha. ऐसा कौन सा fashion trend है जो underrated है, लेकिन आपके लिए chief fashion trend है?
A nice pair of blue jeans for women and any shirt, and all you need is nice sports shoes for me, or I love wearing heels actually, or heels, but that's it. You don't need anything else. I think it's the most underrated. People don't understand that less is more.
Isha ji ke liye, thank you. In fact, I have to very personally, very quickly fit this in as well. There's this crush of mine. I used to like Isha's pictures and not like my pictures. So I used to feel jealous of Isha for like 2 months of my life.
2 months. 2 months.
I mean,
I thought
right?
right? something. I
Then I
thought she
moved on.
started
No,
like 2 months.
Prerna is liking you less, but less is more.
The next question is for you, Kubra. When did you feel that, you know, this fashion sense that I'm doing is chief to my life? The thing that I'm doing, the style that I have, is chief to my life. This is what I'm going to stick to.
I
What
thought
did
which
you
is
hear?
cheap.
Cheaper? No. Chief. Fur. CHIEF. Mischief.
यार मैंने
क्वेश्चन
अपने
बता दो
बाल
इसे समझ में नहीं
ये बहुत ऐसा
Sorry.
difficult question था.
Subtitles
I
डालने
apologize.
पड़ेंगे
Can I have
वापस,
4
है?
options, please?
हाँ जी.
नहीं यार, I think the whole, the whole denim thing. Also, I really enjoy my Ramu Kaka look.
Yeah.
I really like my Chotu look.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Wear big Bermuda, wear big t-shirt. Just
Yeah.
go na yaar. Yeah, I love it, yeah. And my chappals, I have one chappal, I wear it everywhere. Once I wore it to a friend's birthday party. And then the stylists, yeah, they sunowed me for 3 days after that. They were like, how can you go like this in chappals to a person? I'm like, yeah, I love. So I love chappals. I
That's
like
it.
my Chotu Ramu Kaka look. I love it.
We like your riddles. I think they're fantastic.
Thanks, ma.
They're cuties. They're just cute tidbits on Instagram.
Thank you. Today's opening was high kudos.
Cute tidbits, not tidbits. I have tidbits. Yes. Zareen, yeah. Over to you. Zareen is a naughty chick. That's what I know about Zareen. Zareen looks is very nice, sweet, salva, light, lovely flower type. No, she's not. She's like wicked from inside. Coming back to Zareen. Zareen, ये सवाल आपके लिए. What has been the chief achievement of your life till date in terms of style?
Becoming comfortable with myself. In
Yeah.
the beginning, oh my God, I was like, सबकी सुन रही हूँ, stress हो रहा है, फिर भी बस नहीं हो रहा है, फिर भी troll हो रहे हैं. अब I'm just so comfortable that I don't care.
Yeah.
Weight बढ़ गया, बढ़ गया. हाँ? Don't give up. Damn.
Nice. Super. Shalin ji, आपके लिए, whom do you consider the chief fashion inspiration of your life?
Very honestly, my father.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's such a
He
lovely
was he's
answer.
very stylish.
Yeah.
And I wear the aviators that he wears.
Yeah.
And I wear the shirts the kind of shirts that he wears is these kinds which I like wearing.
Because of that answer, I think Shalin is going to get a nice little hamper from Red Chief. Can we please clap for Shalin Bhanu?
Thank you.
And for
That's okay.
Papa Bhanu.
Dude,
Yeah?
Thank you.
I didn't get
Thank you.
because I never understood question. Okay. Otherwise, even I would have got for Ramu Kaka and Chotu. Please,
There
relax.
are nice gifts for you as well. There are
I
more
didn't win.
questions.
I think
I better get a gift.
I think paparazzi के राउंड में पापा बोल के ही जीत गए.
Papa, this is for you.
And RJ Palak had to crack this thing because she's an RJ at heart. And Papa में paparazzi सिर्फ
Yes.
पलक देख सकती है.
Paparazzi,
Zareen,
मम्मीराजी,
ये
Thank
सवाल ये सवाल आपके लिए और अगर आपने सवाल का सही जवाब दे दिया, अच्छा जवाब दिया, something that's nice and it's relatable and it's ferocious, then it's a possibility कि आपको भी hamper मिल जाए. ठीक है, सवाल ये है
It
कि
depends on what is in the hamper. I'll make my answer that ferocious.
are you going to give it back to me if you don't like the hamper? बहुत बढ़िया. What is non-negotiable for Zareen Khan in fashion?
Being uncomfortable with whatever you're
Yeah.
wearing. Like, don't just follow this trend of monkey see monkey do. भाई वो उस पे अच्छा लग रहा है, तुम पे नहीं अच्छा लगे. तो सांस अंदर करके बिना सांस लिए कुछ पहन के uncomfortable रह के, I think just be comfortable. As I said, uncomfortable is like no.
Zareen के लिए तालियां ना. Hamper for Zareen.
Yes.
Not a Karan Johar hamper, but it's good enough.
कोई खाना पीने वाला hamper दिया है. Just as I like it.
So answer whatever you
Kubra,
want to
Kubra, this
answer.
question is for you. What advice would you give to people who are still very hush-hush about lingerie shopping? They feel embarrassed, they don't go out, they probably go out there and buy something else and come back home because they're embarrassed about lingerie shopping. What advice would you give?
I absolutely love lingerie because it is such a personal buy
Yeah.
that if you cannot enjoy your body and you in it, very big problem.
Yeah.
So let us address that and let us learn that lingerie shopping is done inside out. So how you feel about you is what's going to inspire the hottest bralette, the skimpiest underwear, because it's really for you.
Yeah.
And it's not for anyone else. So if you feel sexy and you feel like a kitten and you feel really like, empowered, then you will stop shying away from buying lingerie. So love you so you can love the curves.
Fabulous.
I think lingerie can really get things going, you know. I mean, भले ही तुम्हारे ऊपर के कपड़े अच्छे ना हो, lingerie अंदर
अभी तो मेरे को
अच्छे होना
like
बहुत
lingerie का
जरूरी है।
hamper दे रहा है.
मिलेगा ना? Just take
वही
it
है,
easy.
वही
मेरे को
Honestly,
patience.
nowadays
I like the
not
word
ha-
chuddy like a lot. It's superb.
Chuddy is the best word in the world.
Best
What's wrong
word,
with you?
dude.
But
Like,
not having lingerie is also a good thing.
Hi.
Yes.
Coming back, I'm going to add one thing to that point.
Yes,
I think with the question that you asked, because I really feel we should address it, a lot of girls do not come. It was also a problem for us growing up. Even when I was a girl, suddenly I'm like, oh my God, I'm a girl, I'm a woman. So I would suggest to all the women out there, please, jaiye to go shop. It's also because your body, your back starts to hurt as a woman. Trust me, all the men, you should also know this because it'll happen to your mothers, your sisters, your daughter. Your back starts to hurt when you're not wearing the right fitted, and it creates a lot of problems. So please, lingerie shopping is literally like buying clothes. So you have to go try them.
Nowadays, still it's easier. You can buy online, and still you have malls. Back in the day, there were shops where the bhaiya will look. Your size is this.
हाँ, वो लटका रहता है उस पे लिंकिंग नोट पे अभी तक
Isha, since you've already added the point, and I genuinely feel कि sex education तो फिर भी better हो रहा है, but lingerie and underwear education है ही नहीं हमारे देश में. And we're talking about men and women, you know, both.
Yeah, you can't wear that thing that men wear and then go into Baga Beach. Just buy like men don't buy lingerie and like fun swimwear, yaar.
Yeah. So
Correct.
that's what. The
एक
fun-
minute, एक
fun
minute.
should
I
not
have a lot
stick-
of knowledge of lingerie. Huh? Anybody wants any help?
Lingerie for women or lingerie for yourself?
No. For women.
Are we talking about
Or
fantasy?
I am
women.
empowered.
I'm saying men
Women
only
power.
wear no.
Okay, but see, there's this topic is very huge, and I'm glad that we've got our opinions over here. But do you think I personally find lingerie to be very, very expensive? The really nice, comfortable one, the really nice, stylish one. Do you think the comfortable and the stylish can coexist as far as lingerie is concerned?
Yeah, they can. I don't think yet in honestly, like no, I don't know. Maybe we have that in India, but if you go abroad and the really cheap ones, I'm saying brands like Oysho and all, and I buy. They are really nice. They are comfortable, and they're t-shirt bras, but they look really pretty.
Yeah.
You know, and they're really, really, really cheap,
Yeah.
which is really nice. But like I said, that I would really want women to out there, especially girls who are just growing up, to go out there and go and try the
Yeah.
right fit.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's actually to do with physics, because your back starts to hurt a lot, and it happens. I used to go to so much physical therapy because when I was young, I grew up and my back used to hurt. So there are things out there, but like you said earlier, I used to think, oh my God, buying a lingerie is like, you know, buying a new phone. And then you realize, no, it's actually much cheaper.
Right. With all the opinions, and I'm glad that you guys are so influential, and all the right words said today are reaching the right audience, because we really do need education with a lot of fun and entertainment, just like you guys gave. So thank you for your sense of humor, your sense of style, your sense of dressing, your sense of existence. And can we please clap for Palak as well? And can we please call upon Madiha? But before that, because Kubra and Isha gave such great answers, can we please have some great hampers for them as well? Please call. Yes, Madiha is right here. Thank you.
Can we please put our hands together for the sexy Santa Prerna? She's always coming on stage with intelligent questions and beautiful hampers. Please give her a huge round of applause. That was a lot of entertainment and intimacy on stage right there. Coming back to the panel discussion, I remember my introduction to pop culture was when I was watching Hannah Montana as a child. And back then I used to think how Indian celebrities are really going to react to the pop culture, if at all it comes to India. And I think all the celebrities, especially the ones sitting on stage over here, are doing a great job with the kind of pressure that pop culture can build. So another round of applause for all of our speakers who delved so deep into this topic and gave us some of the most questionable information out there. Like, I really had no idea that there's so much of planning and plotting that happens behind the pop culture. So thank you so much for all of those conversations. And once again, a huge round of applause for RJ Palak for so beautifully curating the whole conversation. We have a special design style honor trophy for all of our speakers. I request Palak to kindly hand over the trophies to our speakers over here.